Ciao, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. And then if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, any chit chats or video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Also, guys, I also decided to reopen my Facebook group because I'm conscious I had a lot of feedback from you guys that most of you are not on Instagram. And last year, I had a Facebook group, which I will put the link on the description box, so you guys go and check it out. I will put some files in there for you guys to download as well, and of course all the pictures and videos of my project. So I will appreciate your support in there as well. Today is not a video tutorial, although I will show you what I made later on, but I just want to show you a later purchase. So this is my second book that I've used. It's the most famous, the Antiquarian sticker book. So this is, I think it's the same because there is not different editions. So I used this a couple of years ago when I was made quite a lot of different projects, and I ended up with just a few pages which I put it off and gifted away. I just want to record it and just show you, in case you never came across this book, how wonderful it is. This book is amazing to do, like ATCs, cards, boxes, 3D papercraft, journals, tags, anything like papercraft related. There are over 1,000 Victorian stickers, and I'll go through every page with you. I'm not going to comment it because otherwise this video is going to be extremely long. But one thing I do like about this book is, of course, you get these lovely pictures, which all the stickers can just be peeled off like that. But what I also like about this book, that the back of the paper, the backing paper, it looks like this. And again, you can once you use all the stickers, you can rip these off and use it for your craft project. I think they're wonderful. So you've got the doves and all these geometric motifs. You can cut this, so you can use them as a triangle pockets for your journal or tags. Again, very versatile paper. So the stickers that you will find in this book are very unique in terms of style, because I will show you everything together, but they're so distinctive and again extremely versatile. So you got your butterflies, fruits in here and the head. Then you've got this typical Victorian pictures with butterflies, flowers, mere little fairies. Again, more floral. I love this. Peony there. Sunflowers, more butterflies. And this sort of book, I think it's for everybody's taste, because you've got literally a different elements. You got your geometric motifs. Oh, look at her, so cute. I love the butterflies in here. Okay, seashells, fishes, and marine animals. Look at this snake, it's wonderful. Love these, absolutely love this. Look at that, it's wonderful. Love the finger there. Oh, look at the gnome and the little fairy. And then we're going into more like these vegetables and abstract geometric motifs. Huge spider. I got spider tattoo on my leg, and that reminds me of it. It's very similar. Spiders, in case you guys don't know, are symbols of the animal symbol of creativity. So yeah, love these. I'm going to be a bit quicker because I'm conscious we're not even half page and we are on 5 minutes. Half book, sorry, we are already on 5 minutes. Okay. Love these wreaths. And what I like about it, because you've got all different sizes, So you've got something extremely small and something really, really big. Look at that. Look at a unicorn. Got foxes and dogs. The queen. Look like all little vintage stamps, those. Love their balloons there, love them both. Antiquarian clocks. Love that. More butterflies, animals and birds. As you can see, there is different styles, and then you get the full page. This is a full page sticker. I absolutely love this. Absolutely love it. That's very me. As you guys know, I love flowers and everything floral. Then a big old Gothic here. Of these. You can create your own little vintage stamps with those as well. Frames, the elephant. The ladies, I love this butterfly. Love that as well. Mushrooms and shells. Another more balloons. Little Victorian lady. Love the bee. Sorry, I shake the camera. We're literally halfway through. This is the halfway. So as you can see, guys, you've got some wonderful, wonderful imagery. Love that. I bought this off Amazon and I will put the link in the description box so if you guys want to purchase it. And of course it's an affiliate link, so I get a little tiny commission if you purchase this book through my link, and I will support the channel as well. Love the stars. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And to be fair, guys, this will probably last you a lifestyle, because I can't imagine, you know, you run out of these stickers pretty quickly, so you won't. More animals. Look at this one, the clock. Seahorse. Oh, it's cute. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Another full page. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Some Victorian, then it is an Egyptian. Reminds me of like the 20s. Oh, more butterflies. More geometric. Oh, love him. It's very sassy. Or her. Is he a lady? It looks like a man. Oh no, he's definitely a lady. Oops, sorry. Mind you, I think he's a man. I don't know. Love them as well. Shoes. Love them. And I bought this book, what was it? Probably like 10 days ago. And arrived so quickly, and I was like, oh my god. Really, really good. To be fair, I think on Amazon and even the Royal Mail, they must do like night shift or something, because the services of shipping are amazing. So, oh wow, look at this fish, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at him. He's so funny and cute. More birds. Oh, Love this Egyptian. Animals, marine animals. Forget me not. This cat very sassy. More geometric. You can make like tiles and ATCs with those. And then this is the last section. You got all the letters of the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E and F. You got all different fonts. And again, what I like, because you got different sizes. G, H, I, J, K, oh, look at him, K and L, M and N, O and P, Q and R, S and T, U, V, W, X, I love this, and Y and Z. Okay, that's it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to have a little play with this and I'm going to show you what I make. So I had a little play and I made some tags using, it's an ATC sort of size, so it's 3.5 by 2.5. Look at them. I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. So they're pretty much all similar. I've used this black and gold background with different geometry. So it's this one there and this one here with the dots. And on all of them, I've used my Pibeo. It's the Gideo wax. It's called Renaissance Gold. Again, you're sick and tired of seeing me using it, but I'm addicted to it. I've got a problem. I'm addicted to this, so I probably have to go to any sort of like rehab or anything because I use them in every tutorial. And this the ribbons that you see are those ones that are really tidy, in a really tidy way. I store them in this bag. I got them from Amazon 2 years ago, so I hope, yeah, I have them for 2 years now. So you get, I think it's like 12 or 14 colors ribbon. I love them. So yes, I'm going to show you all the tags I made. So that's with the letter D. This one here with the blue and pink. Another geometric one. And I really like the edges there that are distressed. I also used a corner punch. Where is it here? I always use my envelope punch board because you've got the reverse punch in here, and that will create your perfect round corner. I'm addicted to it. I really recommend. If you don't have an envelope punch board, I really recommend you to use it because it's so versatile. And I will do some more envelopes project in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned. Yeah, so those three. Then I've got this one here with the flowers. There's actually 2 layers. Her with the madam with a little cat. Mint and lilac is one of my favorite color combination. And I think as the 2 colors work really well together because I got a bit of lilac in there. So I picked that ribbon. Memento Mori, a bit gothic, love the skull, and again pick up the red. So that's 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we've got the lady with the S and the green and yellow. This is probably my favorite, of course. I use one of the biggest stickers. Yeah, very simple. It's all about the picture, really. And then I love this geometric one. And I put some blue and pink ribbon in there. I think it really works. Do you know when you have a black and gold background with all the different colors? I think having really pop colours on the ribbon. I think it really works. It might not be everybody cups of tea, but it is mine, so I really, really like them. So how many we got? 9, we got 10, 11 and 12. So we got little cats here. Really, really pretty. The skull and the butterfly. And there'll be a layering in there with the orange and mint. And the I love the spider. I use like a red and mint colour. I really think that the gold edges really works with this picture. So that's 12, 13 and 14. So 14. Yeah, I had to make this one like this because I really liked the pictures like that. So we've got letter K there. And the 2 pairs. I love the 2 pairs. Look. Really, really pretty. And then we got this dinner time with all the birds in there. Okay, guys, let me know which one is your favourite. I'm obsessed. Let me zoom out. I love tags making. And this is fun. A really fun project because, as I said, you got all this imagery that fits everybody's styles. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said, I appreciate if you join me on my Facebook group. I will put the link on the description down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up because I've supported the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, guys, any chit chats or video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day and I will see you very soon.